This time we are going to see how to install Linux distributions on our Android device thanks to Termux. If you want to see how to install Termux, I leave a video in the description because you have to use the GitHub version instead of the Google Play Store version because it is discontinued. Once you have Termux installed, we are going to update the repositories with the following command. And then we install the tool that will allow us to install all types of distributions. If we want to know the list of distributions that we can install on our device, we can see it with the following command. You can see how I already had Debian installed, but for this video we are going to install the Ubuntu distribution. Just run the following command with the name of the desired distribution. When the process is finished, we can log into the newly installed distribution with the command. The first thing to do as soon as you enter a distribution is to update it. The corresponding command will depend on the distribution, but for Debian and Ubuntu it is as follows. Create a new user. In my case, the user will be called DroidMaster. When it asks for the password, type it and press enter even if it seems that you are not entering text. Then confirm the password you have just entered and the user will now exist. Next, we are going to give SuperUser permissions to the newly created user. To do this, we have to edit the sudoers file with the following command. And where it says user privilege specification, add a new line with the name of the new user. Save and exit the file with the key combination Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. Use the following command to ensure that all permissions are set correctly. We log in with the new user with the command you see. And we check that we can execute commands as SuperUser with the whoami command. With all this, we have already installed the Linux distribution on our device, and we can use it without any problem. To install a graphical interface, stay tuned to the channel as we will see how to install desktops like KDE Plasma and have a fully functional desktop on our Android.